Hello everyone! I received already my order at noon. Shopping online. I brought sewing machine for my mother. As you know, last time I posted a one voucher. Cars 24. They given me 500 dirhams voucher. So I got this. Now we will going to unbox. Yeah. It's very long time my mother wants to have his own sewing machine. So finally, I brought sewing machine for her. One minute. There's cover. One minute. I'm going to send this in the Philippines. Here you go. Mama, here's your sewing machine. This is electric sewing machine.